Good day everyone. Welcome to today's virtual lesson on Introduction of Technical Livelihood Education. I'm Regina Panduson, one of your instructor for this session. I hope you're all ready to dive into some exciting learning. So for our lesson overview, Technical Livelihood Education, often abbreviated as TLE, is a curriculum designed to equip students with practical skills in vocational fields. Our lesson will also present the four areas of TLE: the agricultural and fishery art, family and consumer science, home economics, information and communication technology, and industrial arts. We will also tackle the contribution, skills, and some activities involved in a specific area. For the lesson objectives, at the end of the 45-minute lesson, the student should be able to first identify the different component areas of TLE, so you can at least differentiate or perceive the different areas of TLE. Next will be demonstrate understanding of various TLE fields through slogan. And lastly, reflect on the importance of TLE and its importance component areas. You should be able to understand and value the importance of TLE to your students, to your future career, or any future purposes. Okay, I do believe that it is a yes because you are in advanced generation and you will have that basic subject before from grade 4 to grade 6, which is called EPP. So what is TLE? Technical and livelihood education is one of the secondary areas of the secondary education curriculum used in Philippine secondary school, in which it is a good subject in discovering your skills or field of specialization. So, what do you know about the agri-fisheries arts strands? What is agri-fishery arts? It is designed to provide students with adequate knowledge and skills relating to agriculture and aquaculture. So, what is agriculture? Agriculture focuses more on works on land, and aquaculture is, of course, in the water. It includes agricultural crop production, animal production, aquaculture, and horticulture. So these are the activities that is done in agri-fishery arts. This is one of the programs under Technical Vocational Livelihood track in senior high school. This is designed to provide students with adequate knowledge and to integrate, since this is a new subject to everyone. So what are the main activities involved in agricultural and fishery arts? So before that, how does agricultural technology contribute to food production? This increases efficiency, in which modern agricultural technologies improve efficiency in planting, harvesting, and processing crops. Sustainable practices reduce the use of chemical inputs, optimizing resource utilization, since um, agri-fishery arts support the organic agriculture. Next is value-added processing. This includes advancement in food processing, preservation, and packaging, extending shelf life. So, what is home economics? It is the study of a household group in its values, needs, and relationship, its organization and management of available resources, and its relationship with the community of which it is part, according to Davis, 1981. So, home economics is now called family and consumer sciences. It includes cooking, child development, education and community awareness, home management and design, sewing and textile, budget and economy, and health and hygiene. Why it is called home economics is because as we observe, most skills or yung mga sakop niya is done in the house. What are the skills taught in home economics? So the skills that are taught in home economics are barbering, bartending, beauty or nail care, bread and pastry production, caregiving, cookery, dressmaking and tailoring, and many more. What is the meaning of ICT in education? Information and communication technology in education is the mode of education that use information and communications technology to support, enhance, and optimize the delivery of information. This strand seek to teach students concepts and skills in information technology. For example, it concentrates on the use of digital technology for information processing, storage, transmission, and management. So, how does the internet contribute to communication and research? It says global connectivity. The internet connects people worldwide, allowing instant communication through email, messaging apps, social media, and many more. Mas napapadali na and we can communicate not considering the distance. Next is access to information. The internet provides access to vast amount of information through search engines, online databases, academic journals, and many more. So dito, madali na nating ma-access yung mga information. Example is using Google and any searching engines. What is industrial arts? An educational program that feature the fabrication of objects in wood or metal using a variety of hand power or machine tools. Industrial arts are commonly referred to as technology education. This is a broad field of study that focuses on teaching practical skills and knowledge related to various industries and trades. So, what are the main areas covered in educational arts? These are the wood making or woodworking, metalworking, automotive repair, electronics, drafting, and also they are in the computer aided design is included. The goal of industrial arts education is to prepare students for careers in skilled trades or to provide them valuable hands-on skills applicable to a range of industries. So how do industrial arts contribute to the production of goods? They provide innovation and design. Industrial arts often emphasize design principles in innovation, fostering the development of new products, materials, and manufacturing techniques. Next would be the quality control. By understanding the intricacies of production process, individuals trained in industrial arts can contribute in maintaining and improving product quality through effective quality control measures. Why is TEL important? Knowledge and livelihood education provides students with the necessary experiences, valuable knowledge, skills, and values. So TLE teaches students the skills that are not teach in their home and to their um, community. Evaluation. Let's test your understanding with a few quick evaluation questions. I'll ask the question and I want you to pause the video to think about your answer. Ready? Here's the first question. What were the skills taught were relevant to current industry needs? Yes, skills taught were directly applicable to the demands of various industries, especially in abroad. Skill base is in demand, like in Japan, in which farming is um, needing more skilled workers. Next question is, what are the four areas of TLE? So the four areas of TLE is agriculture and fishery, home economics or family and consumer services, industrial arts, and ICT. So for the summary, always remember the four areas of TLE: the agri-fishery arts, combination of agricultural and aquaculture that involves animal production, crop production, and landscaping. For the home economics, that encompasses a wide variety of subjects such as bread and pastry, food, beverage, cookery, dressmaking, and tailoring, and etc. So for the industrial arts, these strands will be able to demonstrate the skills, competencies, and values in providing repair and maintenance services. Some of its specialization offered here in our country is automotive servicing, carpentry, driving, electrical installation and maintenance, gas metal arc welding, masonry, and many more. So lastly is the ICT, that it is all about computer systems, programming, creating a web pages, and basic animations. In general, all of these areas have unique contributions to industries and careers. I hope someday you can choose your own skills or field of specialization.